Choose between AI-generated scripts tailored to your audience or
Go to Dubai, go to this, go to that, costs a lot of money, etc. So, what is offer?
Yeah, so look, the genuine, where you start off, the initial inspiration has to come from you. If you pump it into ChatGPT and say, give me 10 short form videos that you think will do incredibly well on Instagram, it's too broad, you know? The prompt really matters. The prompt is if the AI thinks at that moment in time, like right now, 2025, we're in February.
I think 3 or 4. One, as we discussed earlier, a lot of countries will start building real-life AI applications which can be.
Ways to realize how impressive that is. All different fonts, different backgrounds, different structures, and columns. It's a mess. It's a mess. We also built into our model the ability to get immediate feedback from candidates. Let's say we got information out, but their resume was not good. It was missing some information. It's missing a graduation date. Let's say they graduated, but they didn't mention their field study. We actually reach out to the candidate and make sure that we have all the information.
Really, Ravi, Twitter, Omar, it's a very nice session. And really, we enjoy it. Even got